Hello everybody, my name is Kyle Kelk and welcome to my week 2 video review for CPM1502. This week the things I had the most trouble with was just relearning iOS. That took a little while to relearn some of the coding for this. The biggest holdup, however, was working with the simulator. It wasn't working for a long time. It would not properly load in my app. Eventually I finally had to reinstall Yosemite. That seemed to fix the problem, so it seems like there was a corrupted file somewhere along the line, but thankfully I got it all up and running, and as you can see the project is now complete, and I'm just going to start off by again going through the project step by step and what we had to have completed. So I'm going to start with making a new account here, and we'll create it. As you can see, it is successfully created, automatically logs you in. In fact, before I even add in a game, I'm just going to show that it does persist. Log back in, as you can see, logs you straight in. So I have the sign up working, I have the login now working. I also have it so it saves your login credentials between each launch, so I have that working. So that's 3 of the first things I needed to have done. Now let's add in a game. Add in the game, 29.99. Successfully added it. As you can see, it adds it in. It has 2 points of data, which was another one of the points we need to have done. It does a string and a number. So as you can see, that is working. I will go through here with the logout next, just so I can show then everything being user restricted. So we'll log out. As you can see, it logs out properly. I'll quickly close the app to show that it's not just that one launch. It does in fact log you completely out. So now I'll log in with my other account here. Successful. As you can see, different game in there. Let's add a couple more. Red, 39.99. Successfully added. And let's add one more. We'll add pink in. That'll be 19.99. So as you can see, I create the data that we needed. It's user restricted. It reads in the user restricted data. It lets you log out. I feel as though all the UI elements are proper and exactly where they need to be. Everything works well. And the last thing I am just going to go over and show you is the delete, which also is working. The simulator is a little weird. Sometimes the clicks work really good and sometimes they don't. As you can see, that time was thankfully one of the times it did work really well. It deletes it out. So now if I log out, just to prove that it does completely log you right on out, well, actually delete the game, I should say. As you can see, completely deleted. So if we come back and we want to delete pink, that time was one of the times the click did not work. Let's log back out, and let's just log back in really quick. Log in, successful. As you can see, everything's right. Now if I go back in here, add another game, comes back out, and it works perfectly. Everything's working as intended. I hope everyone's week 2 went really well. I look forward to seeing everyone's week 3, and I hope you all have a great weekend coming up here. Thank you very much. Have a great day.